In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload your resume on Indeed. Whether you're setting up your profile for the first time or updating an existing resume, I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along and feel confident you've done it correctly. First, make sure you're signed into your Indeed account. If you're not already logged in, go to the Indeed website and sign in with your usual details. Once you're on your home dashboard, you'll see a few different options and menus that relate to your account, your job searches, and your profile. From the home dashboard, look for your account area. This is typically found at the top right of the screen, often under your profile icon or your name. Click on that and then choose the option that takes you to your profile. This is where Indeed keeps all your personal details and job-related information, including your resume. When you're on your profile page, look for the section labeled Resume. This may be in the main part of the page or in a tab specifically called Resume. Take a second to make sure you're in the right place, because this is the section that controls what employers can see when they view your profile. Inside the resume section, you'll see an option to upload a resume. Click on Upload Resume. This tells Indeed that you want to provide a file from your computer or device, instead of, for example, building a resume from scratch on the site. As soon as you click Upload Resume, a file browser window will open. This is the standard window your device uses whenever you choose a file to attach or upload. Now, navigate to where your resume is saved on your device. Common places include your desktop, your Documents folder, or a dedicated folder you may have created just for job applications. Look for a recent, well-formatted version of your resume. Ideally, it should be saved as a PDF or a Word document, since these formats usually upload cleanly and are easy for employers to open. Try to avoid image files or unusual formats because they may not look right when viewed by a recruiter. Once you've found the correct file, click on it to highlight it, and then click the Open button in the file browser window. This will start the upload process back on the Indeed site. Depending on your internet connection and the size of your file, the upload may take a few seconds. It's best not to close the browser or click away while it's uploading. After the upload finishes, Indeed will usually show a confirmation that your resume has been added to your profile. Take a moment to review what's shown there. Check that the correct file was uploaded and that the name of the file looks professional and clear. You can also quickly scan the preview if one appears, just to make sure the formatting looks acceptable. That's all you need to do. By going to your home dashboard, accessing your profile, opening the resume section, clicking Upload Resume, and selecting your file from your device, you've successfully uploaded your resume to Indeed and made it available for employers to review.